How to log in Hi TV app on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up Hi TV application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the person icon. Now at the top part of your screen, tap on login. Now enter your email and now enter your password and tap on login. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.